Hi, I'm John Vincent Diep, and this is my project. Let's create a donut in Blender. So here we are. So let's delete this cube. And we will add the torus, and we will control 2 to sharpen to smoothen the donut, the skin of the donut. And we need to scale it, and we will go to edit mode. We will scale it to make it bigger. Yeah. And then we will duplicate it. Control D, duplicate, and latataas konti because of the toppings of the donut mamaya. And kailangan pantayin lang ng konti. Yan, medyo okay na. Okay na yun. And then, wait, we will scale it again to make it smaller. The object, and go to quick effects, turn it in quick liquid, and select the base donut, the base torus, and click fluid, go to type, make it effector, and then make the surface, the sampling substance to then play it until until hanggang sa gusto mo kung ano na itsura ng topping sa donut mo. Ayan. Yan, medyo perfect na. Yan. Tapos, convert it to mesh. Click the toppings pala, tapos convert it to mesh. And then, add new cube para sa mamaya, yung pinaka Pringles to toppings. Scale it. You need to scale this. Edit mode, and then Alt S to scale. You need to make it look like small, and then scale it. Kailangan natin ipa-thin pa konti. Scale toolbox. Yun. Liit konti. Tapos papalitin din yung taas para paano siya konti pa-curve palit. Pag inano natin. Pag pinasmooth konti. Katulad dun sa kanina sa donut. Control 2 para maging smooth. Yan. And click the toppings. Go to this tool, and then add particle settings, particle system, and then go to hair, adjust the number of hair to 500, and then go to, what is this, in the advanced render, render, and then object, select render as object, and then click the Pringles and adjust this rotation, make it maxed. Then we will go to shading. So, connect natin yung color. Wait, X muna to. Add new properties BSDF. We will add object info and use saturation. Shoot, use saturation. Connect yung random sa U and then yung color sa basic color. And then pili ka ng color. Wala, mali. Yung pala ang napili. Yung mismong color ng toppings. Mali. Balik. Yung dapat tong natin, yung pinaka-Pringles yan. Ganun ulit. Mag-add ng object info. Tapos use saturation. Tapos ganun, i-connect ulit. So, ayan. Tapos, yan, magra-randomize yung color ng Pringles. Pringles? Toppings? Something like that. Yan. Yan. Tapos yung color na lang naman ng toppings yung natin gagawin. Wait lang, hanapin ko yung settings na. Ito. Tapos, new. Ito nga. Base color, gawin natin pink. Something like pink. Para mukhang donut talaga. Pati yung pinaka-tinapay ng donut. Medyo brown na tinapay. Yan. Tapos, hide na lang natin yung mga di kailangan makita. And then, yan. Tapos na. Or donut. Letter D. Diet donut. This is how to make donut in Blender. Yes. Thank you.